Hello everyone. Well, making white wine and butter glazing or sauce or reduction for shrimp. I already got the garlic and the black pepper and the red pepper in. Now I'm melting the butter. You guys can see this well enough. And I'm using rotini pasta, tricolor rotini pasta, organic actually, because I happen to not like certain things in my food. Now, I'm going to go ahead and add the white wine. Let that reduce. By the way, this is my first ever cooking video. First ever, period. Hope you guys enjoy it. Here's a tip on cooking with garlic. Coat your hands in olive oil. It keeps the garlic from sticking to your fingers when you're cutting it. So I'll let this reduce a little bit. Alright. There's garlic, kosher salt, a little bit of red pepper, 5 tablespoons of butter, half a cup of white wine, quarter cup of olive oil. Okay? And you don't want the pan to be crowded, so here's the shrimp. It's like 40 count, medium shrimp. Okay? You don't want to crowd the pan, because crowding the pan, that's not good. Things don't cook evenly. You know, you tend to burn in some areas and have cold in the others, so you don't want to overload the pan. You know, now that it's reduced a bit, now we put our shrimp in. And you notice this is my cast iron skillet, my favorite skillet actually, and you can form pretty much one layer, you know, in this. You just have to do this until these turn nice and pink and start curling up. Not too much curl. Too much curl means you're eating a tire. So, and here I am stirring the pasta. Tricolor rotini. Now, you see here with this, the shrimp are just starting to curl. This is only going to take about 3 to 4 minutes. 5 minutes, too long. Way too long in 5 minutes. Because the shrimp are curling up now. And they're turning pink right now, slightly pink. Let them sit. Don't play with them. Don't keep constantly stirring them. Just let them sit and let the heat do its work with the spices and the wine and the butter. Let it do its work. Much like when you use a tool, you let the tool do the work. So, we have tricolor rotini pasta. And we're going to top it with some fresh grated aged Asiago on top of the pasta and the shrimp. One of the main things is that prep is everything. To prepare everything you have to do and add, and you put it in these like timpani, little cups, or a small bowl or whatever, or measuring cups or whatever. Liquids I put in a measuring cup. Dry ingredients like pepper, salt, whatever, I put into a timpani or a small ceramic bowl, very small. They're called timpani. It's an Italian name for a little drum, because it kind of looks like a little snare drum, you know. So, pardon my sniffling. I have really bad sinuses, always have. So, the pasta is doing nicely. You can see the shrimp doing nicely in its thing. You know, see. This is my first, like I said, this is my first ever cooking video. Never did one before. So, if this screws up, you guys will know it. If it's successful, you'll know it too. I usually do model train videos. I figured I'd go ahead and do something a little bit different. But considering I've been cooking since I was about 9. I'll have to do a video on making my banana bread. Because I got 3 bananas that are waiting to go in. You see the shrimp now? See, once you let the heat do its thing with the butter and the olive oil and the spices and stuff, you know, and the garlic, See, it comes out nice and pink, and it's still soft. It's not chewy, you know, so you don't feel like you're chewing rubber or, you know, or gummy, you know, whatever terms you guys want to use, you know. I prefer to call it chewy or rubbery, you know. So, first time doing this recipe too. The prep work takes more than anything, and then you got to tend to it too, which is good, which is okay. You're supposed to tend to your food when you're cooking it, you know. So, check the pasta, and the pasta's done. So that gets drained. The shrimp can be left alone for a minute, minute and a half, while I drain the pasta. So, oh, doesn't that look nice like that? Now, go ahead and get a plate. A nice big spoon. Put some pasta in it. Turn the heat off on this, because you don't want to overcook these little buggers now, you know. Oh, one just went overboard. So move this back to the back burner, so it's not going to continuously. And here you go. Here's the completed dish. I don't know if you guys can see it. And I do is put a little bit of the sauce on it, or glaze, not glaze because it's not thin enough. Yeah, sauce, yeah. Over it. And, well, gonna find out now. So, let's see how this came out. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's really good. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this short video. Let me know what you think. Questions, critiques, and comments are welcome. Bon appetit, or as they say, manja. Later.